Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are bringing you the best Oktoberfest aprons you can find. The Hillban 6PC's Oktoberfest Mardi Gras aprons for couples. If you're ready to bring some fun and laughter to your Oktoberfest celebrations or just want to spice up your barbecue and cooking sessions, these aprons are a perfect addition to your kitchen gear. Let's dive right in. These aprons are designed to be a fun and functional way to embrace the Oktoberfest spirit. Made with lightweight polyester, they offer durability and comfort, which is perfect for long cooking, grilling, or baking sessions. The aprons are available in a variety of traditional and playful designs, so whether you're looking for a more authentic Bavarian look or something a little more fun and cheeky, this set has got you covered. With this set, you'll receive 6 aprons, 3 for men and 3 for women, each with its unique design. They're designed to fit most adults comfortably, measuring approximately 26.77 by 32.68 inches. The adjustable waist ties allow for a snug fit, ensuring that you can enjoy your festive moments without worrying about comfort. Plus, they're versatile. Whether it's a barbecue, a kitchen party, a picnic, or an Oktoberfest celebration, these aprons will surely stand out and add to the fun. The vibrant and eye-catching patterns on these aprons are guaranteed to make you the center of attention. Not only are they perfect for adding a playful touch to your Oktoberfest festivities, but they also work wonderfully for any themed event or casual cooking and grilling at home. They're sure to bring smiles, laughter, and a lively atmosphere wherever you wear them. These aprons make a thoughtful and creative gift for partners, family, or friends who love to cook or are fans of the Oktoberfest season. They're not just functional, but also a great way to make memories and have a laugh in the kitchen or around the grill. To sum it up, if you're looking for the best Oktoberfest aprons that are fun, comfortable, and versatile, look no further than the Hillban 6PC's Oktoberfest Mardi Gras aprons for couples. They'll definitely elevate your cooking, baking, or grilling experience while adding a festive flair to any gathering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. We'll see you in the next one.